Dedicated cameras still have a lot to offer for entry-level photographers. They come with larger sensors as well as more creative controls to improve your snaps plus video skills. And if you're one of them who's looking for a perfect camera to start with, then you have come to the right place, because in today's video, we have made a list of the top 5 best beginner's camera, which can help you to start your photography journey effortlessly. Starting our list with the Canon EOS Rebel T7, which is the most sold camera on Amazon at an affordable price. The Rebel T7 features a high-resolution 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that helps you to capture rich details and vibrant colors. Besides, the Digic 4 Plus image processor creates fast performance and reduces noise even in low-light conditions. It also supports 100 to 6400 ISO to ensure confident shooting in nearly any light. You can enhance your shooting experience even if you're a beginner by making sure you're ready to capture the action as soon as it happens with the fast and accurate autofocus. Also, with an intelligent auto mode, this camera delivers accurate exposure and enhancements so you can get the best images out of it. To get a lifelike viewing experience and perfect positioning, the Rebel T7 offers optical viewfinder. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect your compatible devices for easy sharing. You can even control the camera remotely for self-portraits, all thanks to the remote shooting feature. Overall, for image quality and compatibility, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a decent DSLR camera for beginners that you can buy at a respectful price. The Nikon Z50 is an excellent camera in the mirrorless market, offering compact size and great handling to make it perfect for travelers. With a 20.9 megapixel DX CMOS sensor, the Z50 captures more light, sharpness, and contrast to ensure outstanding image quality. Besides, a fast X-Speed 6 processor makes your photos and videos sharp and professional in low-light conditions. When shooting photos, the Z50 delivers outstanding autofocus, which can lock onto your subject's eye and keep the focus there even while they're on the move. It weighs only 0.9 pounds, which means you can carry this camera no matter where you go. You can even capture 4K Ultra HD videos with this camera to tell your stories in your way. Also, this camera supports 1080p Full HD videos at 120 FPS to deliver that perfect slow-mo video. With an LCD display, you can activate self-portrait mode for selfies and vlogging. And a high-resolution electronic viewfinder lets you get the perfect angle of your photos and videos. Moreover, this camera includes up to 20 creative picture controls and up to 10 special effects, which you can use in both photos and videos for creative shots. In general, the Nikon Z50 is a good compact mirrorless camera that can be your perfect companion to learning the basics of photography. The Canon M50 Mark-II offers some upgrades from the original, but it comes with solid image quality and streaming abilities. The Mark-II's powerful 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor lets you capture high-resolution images and 4K videos at 24 FPS as well as 120 FPS for slow motion. For improved autofocus performance, the Mark-II comes with a Digic 8 image processor, which ensures that your photos and videos look sharp and detailed even under low-light conditions. Not only that, the dual-pixel CMOS autofocus allows you to lock onto your subject instantly. If you're a streamer or vlogger, then this is good news for you, because the Mark-II lets you live stream with cinematic image quality. Besides, the Webcam Utility app allows you to use this camera as a high-quality webcam alternative. It also comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to make your content sharing both quick and seamless. All in all, for high-resolution image quality, precise composition, and streaming ability, the Canon M50 Mark-II can definitely elevate your content quality. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark-IV is sleek, stylish, and unbelievably lightweight, which comes with an improved sensor and autofocus to deliver you marvelous images even if you're an entry-level photographer. With a 20 megapixel live MOS sensor, this camera can capture your images and videos with lifelike and high-resolution detail. It also comes with a TruePic 8 processor, which ensures edge-to-edge sharpness even in low-light conditions. Now, you can say no to shaky videos because the EM10 Mark-IV has a powerful I-body 5-axis stabilization. Moreover, you can flip down the screen to 180 degrees, which can give you a convenient way to compose and capture your shot. You can even use the screen to take a perfect selfie with this camera. Besides, the bright interactive electronic viewfinder displays settings and provides a live preview of the image you will capture. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can connect to your smart devices for fast and easy transfer of your photos and videos. Altogether, for lightweight, image stabilization, and high-resolution detail, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark-IV is an impressive one for beginners. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sony ZV-E10, which is the overall best camera for beginners with 4K capabilities and performance. With a 24.2 megapixel APS-C external image sensor, the ZV-E10 delivers high resolution and intricate detail to give you professional quality images. It's also capable enough to provide you with extremely detailed and crisp 4K videos at 30 FPS. The real-time autofocus can lock onto your subjects and deliver stable photos even while they are on the move. There's no need for complicated manual adjustments because the background defocus feature lets you turn your background blur with just the tap of a single button. Equipped with a built-in 3-directional capsule mic, this camera can record your voices clearly even in a crowded place. You can also find a lens to match your style, all thanks to Sony's extensive range of E-mount lenses. For the most part, the Sony ZV-E10 is undoubtedly the best overall camera for its premium features and performance, which is highly recommended by us for the beginners. So, that was all about the top 5 best beginners camera just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.